Okay, so Samba's enjoying some of the nosh. Basil will sit up on the wall. Come on then, Baz. Baz. You coming? You want chicken? Here. 1 and 2. Okay. Well, you've just been through the bushes. You've got all grass seeds on your neck. No, you still dropped one. Good boy. Okay, so he's gone off a different way. Now, is the cat ill? No, he's going up that way now. Yeah, so Basil's going off up the road. Slowly, not as fast as normal. Now he's gone off to the left between the second and third cars parked, so I don't know, maybe he's leaving chicken out for the cubs, because it seemed that they've been leaving like a trail of food for the cubs to follow. Whether that's right or not, I really don't know. But no, can't see him. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so Baz is back, eating from the bowl. Haven't seen any sign of any babies or anybody else. You see them one night and then you don't see them for like 3 nights. But do you want chicken? Yeah? Here you go then, mate. Hold on, just got to move that bit of plastic. Here we go then. 1, and there's a smaller piece. You take the little piece first. Okay, Kenny's doing a bit of tap dancing on the back front door again. Oh no, he's going to eat that. Are you going to eat it? Yeah, he's going to eat that himself. Yeah, Basil's eating away. So I'm a bit shaky, but I'm just crouching down here. Baz, there's another piece here if you're going to run off, mate. No, he's going to eat that piece first. Have a piece for himself, bless his heart. It's not often he sits here and eats. Well, the chicken, he eats the other stuff. So he's still eating. Kenny's becoming a right pain at the moment. Baz, do you want this other bit, mate? Baz, you've left a piece. What are you going to do? Right, I'm letting Kenny out because he's driving me nuts. Okay, so Basil's there. Kenny's there. Baz, do you want this other bit of chicken? Do you want it? Here. Oh, shush you. There must be a cat under the car. There we go. Come and get it, mate. Okay, so Basil's taking the other piece of chicken. Kenny's now laid there. There's nothing under the car, Ken. What can you see I can't? Hey? Kenny? Oh, yes, there is. There's a cat under the car. It's the grey one with the white chest. Just sneaks out to eat the food when it feels like it. Okay, Basil's gone running off up the road. Kenny's having a roll around, protecting the property. And so the grey cat's no threat to him. It's a nice cat. Right, you coming in, Ken, or are you staying out here? Just rolling around, huh? you going to do? Kenny, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? I know. Come on. Come on. Loves his back rub there. Tail goes into a question mark. That cat's not going to hurt you, alright? That's a friendly cat. Okay, I'll leave him out here for the moment. I can watch him on the camera. And if he wants to come in, I'll let him back in. Why they come out the front, I really don't know. Because there is a cat flap at the back of the house. They go in and out freely. There we go. That's Kenny. And Basil came and ate a piece of chicken and took a piece as well. So he's had a dine-in and a takeaway at the same time. Ken, that cat won't hurt you. Right, okay, that's it. I'll be back. Okay, so Basil's back again. It seems he's on the chicken run tonight. Did you have a nice drink? I saw you on the camera. Yes, I did. You had quite a drink then, didn't you? That's always nice to see. Right, how many pieces do you want this time? Here we go. 1 and 2. You need to stop running through that grass. And then grass seeds on your neck. If only I could brush you, it would be brilliant. That's 1. And that's 2. Good boy. And off he goes, love him. But it's like he's not in any hurry anymore. He used to go running off up the road. Whether the cubs will come to meet him or something, I don't know. But he's certainly not going at any speed. He's just going really, really slowly. He's gone a bit further down this time. At least he didn't cut off to the left like he did the last time. So yeah, there's Basil going up the middle of the road. Like I say, slow. Not like he used to. Okay, that's it. I'll be back.